Alright, hello everyone. Well, spring is in the air, as you can see. All the snow is gone from the ground, and it's a bit cloudy, but not bad. 6 degrees Celsius today. Well, I think we've gone through the freezing cold winter fairly quick. It's March now, so spring is coming. Well, you can see my deck is cleaned up. Well, we'll be having a few projects going on for my pond this year. So I'm waiting for my local Costco warehouse to bring back the 12 by 12 gazebo that I'm gonna get and put on top of this deck, because my camping gazebo broke off last year. Yeah, so waiting for that to come. And as you can see, pond water is kind of dirty again. Yeah, I made a mistake last year that I should stop feeding probably a few weeks before I shut off the pump. But I shut off the pump right away after I stopped feeding. So I think the food still left over inside the pond, and yeah, make the water dirty. Well, you see that concrete post over there. Originally, I had a plan to put a deck over the pond, but then I changed my mind because that would take too much space to cover up the pond. So I canceled that and put a deck over here instead. Well, this year I have an idea. I'm gonna try to put a small mini bridge across from that post over this side. Well, just walk across the pond. So let me know what you guys think, if I should put a bridge over. I'm thinking about 3 feet wide, and I'm going to be using a 2x8 beam, 2 pieces of 2x8 beam going across, and put some 2x8 cross pieces on top to make the boardwalk style. Well, that's the plan. And yeah, soon I'm gonna get the filter back up and running again, and so the skimmer. Oh, let's see, my turtle's still here. It's been here for the whole winter. My water Irish still survive, and my watercress, I don't know if my watercress will come back up, but right now it looks like they are dead. Yeah, little chipmunks right there, running along there. All right, so this my skimmer. Water level is frozen. Yeah, I need to clean this up, and set up my skimmer again soon. Probably by April, the end of April also. Yeah, so yeah, what if I have a bridge over from the post on the right side into the post under the deck here? I'm gonna bridge over and walking across the pond. So let me know what you guys think, if that's a good idea. So that's my plan for this summer. And the new gazebo going on top there. Let's check in some filter house. Oh, excuse me. Well, right now the temperature under the inside, under the water there in the bottom, at the bottom of the pond there is 5.9. And yeah, it's like 10 degrees in here. 5.9. Yeah, soon I'm gonna get these guys running again. Right now is still active. No, inactive. Sorry. Yeah, nothing happening. There's some action going on again. Hopefully by next month, the weather getting warmer. Oh, my aerator is still running. It's pretty good. It's been running all year long. No issue. The water's kind of green again. We need to do some treatment with this string algae. I'm still getting some string algae by the ISO right there. Yeah. You guys have any suggestion on how to get rid of this string algae? Let me know in the comments below. So otherwise, I'll see you next time. Getting excited to enjoy my pond again. I'm not sure I'm gonna put out that bio ball to clean up inside my waterfalls or not this year. I haven't done it for 2 years already. I think maybe it's not a bad idea to do it, hey? Well, that is just another update for this DIY pond, guys. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.